Hi everyone, our problem is motivated by the local food bank to the Ithaca, New York community called the Food Bank of the Southern Tier. Due to the COVID epidemic, food banks in our local area and also food banks around the world have had to revamp their mobile food pantry program. How it works in our area is that at the start of the day, the mobile food pantry truck arrives at the warehouse loading up a given amount of the resources. This truck then travels from distribution site to distribution site around the county, observing a specific demand at that location, making a specific allocation before proceeding to the next one. What's important for these allocations decision is that the truck needs to both adapt to the online realized demands for a given location, while also using the fact that there will be future locations that they need to make an allocation to. You can think of this problem as a problem of online sequential allocations of resources. And obviously in the food bank context, it's very important to think about what is a fair allocation in this situation and how can we even compute it. If you want more information, we are paper number 74. Thank you.